Okay, so good evening everyone and welcome again to this new episode. In this episode we will extract algorithmic levels and we will discuss about Bitcoin and Yearn finance too. Many questions now. I am shorting Bitcoin. Okay, many people. What do you think about shorting Bitcoin at this moment? I mean, now we are about to capitulate over the 14,000. Who said that? What is your evidences? Give me just one evidence that the market is about to drop at the 14,000. We are trading in a resistance zone, okay? But do you have any proofs that the market is about to drop? No. So believe in what you say, not in what you think. As long as you are trading with the market and you're trading with the trend and you are following the trend, you are making a big probability, okay, of winning positions. So guys who are asking me, I'm about to short Bitcoin and I want to short Bitcoin. This is a big mistake, guys. Okay, this is a big mistake. Because shorting Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin, we have a lot of rules and also a strict risk management. Okay, a strict risk management. Absolute strict risk management. Ultimate strict money management. It is not something easy, guys, trust me. So let's talk technically. We have a support here. I'm keeping the same levels I already gave you guys. Okay, please go back to my channel, say the previous videos and watch the previous videos, and you can get a conclusion on how I do trade and also how I export and trade my algorithmic levels. It's very simple and everyone can do it. And remember, it's a free of charge. I am not asking any money for that. Okay, people deserve to learn. Okay, science is for everyone, and making money also is for everyone, rich and poor people. So, guys, this pink horizontal line here represents, okay, a strict resistance, a powerful resistance. That's why you can see the markets didn't have what it takes to penetrate, or we can say to cross this line here. So that's why people are now afraid to take the decision. So what is the solution? They are buying the lows. So that's why I gives you a yellow line here, okay, and another one here. And if you go back already to my previous videos, we had these levels before the markets actually retest or even touch them. So till the moment everything is clear. The first thing we have to do when we open a chart is the decision. What are we going to do? Are we going to buy or are we going to short? If you do not trade futures, you can just simply stay on spots. But the first thing you have to do in your mind is, what is the exact points I have to buy in? And what is my proofs? Okay, so focus on buying the lows each and every 24 hours. This is one of the strict things that makes me a lot of money. Okay, so till now everything is clear, guys. We have a support here. Okay, a support level, of course, not an exact point. You can see that the market behaves some kind of behavior at this level here. So now it's clear, guys, that we are in what? We are in consolidation part. Okay, we are in what? In consolidation part. So let me remove these lines here so you cannot be confused. So you can see, guys, this is what can happen. So then we can go to the 15,000. So if you are a busy man and you don't have time, you can just buy at, you can say from the green line here. Also, you can buy again at the green line here, and your targets will be higher than 15,000. I think this is one of the options, but please do not short. Do not short, because it's something very dangerous, and we are about to have another impulsive move. So when can we short? It's very simple, guys. We can have the ability to short, but when we can have like that. Okay, so the first high, or I mean the lower high, and the second lower high, it can give us some point of shorting or some point of view of shorting the Bitcoin. But till the moment, I don't recommend shorting the Bitcoin at any circumstances. You can focus either to buy the lows instead of shorting Bitcoin, because shorting Bitcoin, guys, can cost you a lot of money. And trust me, whatever is your balance, whatever is your power, whatever is your quantity, you have a big, you will do a lot of mistakes. Okay, so this is how you check your opportunities, guys. So everything is clear. We are in consolidation part. I think 15,000 is our target. In case something happens against us, it simply will be crossing the first line here, and this is an algorithmic level here, guys. Trust me, this is very strong. Okay, and till now we can just target this line here. Okay, I mean this zone. You can just target this zone, and simply the decision is buy. Okay, it's buying the, you can go long for the Bitcoin. So this is it. I think it's okay for the Bitcoin now. Let's skip to Yearn Finance, guys. Yearn Finance too, of course. Remember, we had a chart reading or an analysis, and we said that we have a support zone here. This is the green zone, okay? And we should not actually do something. You can short, no problem, but be careful. Where are you shorting? Okay, be careful. Where are you shorting? The exact time. Timing is very important. It is not about the prices, but it is about the timing. So the right moment you enter a position is the right. If it's right, then you can make money. If not, then you can have another troubles based on the risk management. Because when you take an early position, that's mean you are fighting the time, or you are gambling against the time. And when you are buying, when actually nothing happens, then you are actually trading against the time. So be careful. You have to trade with the time, not against, and not gambling with the timing. So what do you mean by that? Can you explain to us? Okay, I will be happy to explain that to you. It's very simple, guys. Now we breaks below this level here. People now are convinced that this support here is useless. But trust me, I told you already, if we back again, okay, if we back again higher than this level, then we can have another opportunity to buy. Okay, but remember, guys, as long as we are trading on based on these levels here, it's very simple. There is two opportunities: a bullish engulfing or a reversal candle, okay, or we can have another high and it will be another lower high. Then we can get again to our current direction. I mean back to our shorting decisions. Okay, you have here a moving average. You have a moving average. Many people are using moving average, not correctly. Okay, you are doing it wrong. The moving averages, guys, it doesn't mean the moving average can play a resistance. It doesn't mean an algorithmic level, but it does show you some impacts inside the markets. So when you see, for example, the market behaves at this level here, just be careful, and it can be another opportunity that the market can be in the bullish side, or we can flip again to another bearish movement. So I will explain to you more. For example, we had another, let's say, movement here. Do not buy and do not sell. Do nothing, actually. So if you see any reversal candle here, any capitulation candle, any say something deserves, then you can short. If not, then you can continue and you can just wait until you can see the market how it's going to be or how it will behave. If you see any strong bullish movements, then you can go with the direction. It's actually the new direction. If not, then thank you very much. I am shorting the Yearn Finance too. Nothing else, nothing more. Okay? So it's very easy, guys. So now, what are we going to do? You simply do nothing. Okay? You simply do nothing. If you want to short, you can just short trading this kind of movement. Okay? We have here Okay, it's like that. Okay, the low here. Okay, so this is our low, and I think we are still trading. I don't think so. Okay, so guys, here if you want to short, you can just watch sorry, the market, how it's going to behave at these levels here. Okay, so this is the first level, then the green zone, the whole levels here. So instead of making multiple lines, I am doing one rectangle. It shows that we are trading in, let's say, some resistance zone, and then it's about to finish at this level here, or the moving averages. So the moving averages are falling down each time the market is falling. Okay, so if we are, for example, at the $1,000, then the moving averages will continue to fall. So you can short below these levels here, guys. Okay, you can take another short position, and then you can target another levels. I think the $1,000 and maybe less than that. Okay, so it's something around these levels here. So this is, guys, for the Yearn Finance too. Let's see the Yearn Finance. Okay, Yearn Finance. Unfortunately, guys, I can see that like we discussed already, I told you this is not something you can invest your money, and many people criticized me. I still remember it. Each and every person criticized me. Okay, I told you guys, it is not about Yearn Finance. I'm not saying this coin is a scam, but I am talking about the price manipulation. Okay, especially that's something goes with what we call turtles. Okay, these movements called turtles in the market. Okay, it's very slow. It is not like something pump and something dump. No, we pump the prices and we let's say distribute. Okay, we have distribution phase, but it's so slowly. So it's called the turtles. Okay, it's called the turtles. This kind of moment called the turtle strategy. You can use also this turtle strategy to make a lot of money, but I don't recommend to use turtle strategy in every market. Okay, there is some couple of coins you can do the turtle strategy and you can make a lot of money, but for the long term, Bitcoin is one of them, by the way. But for the Yearn Finance, guys, I told you, do not risk your money, because it's something created for a pump and dump. And here we go. Now you can see that a person who bought a Yearn Finance, sorry, at the 40,000, now that unit costs you to buy another unit for, say, 80,000 or 90,000. Okay, it's 9,000, so it's something really strange. Something really doesn't deserve to be a good investment. So be careful when you put your money, guys. So what is the next targets, guys? I think we can target this level here. Okay, for now, okay, this is the low. Okay, I think here. And I think even here. So here, if you want to buy, I think if you see any reversal candle, you can buy. If you want to do an early long position, no problem, because you are buying something that had a value of $40,000. Okay, $40,000. In my opinion, if we break lower than the Genesis candle, which is the final support, you can see that it is the final support here, then probably, guys, we can have another dump and we can go for more dump, and I think we can target the $2,000. Perhaps do not take it seriously, guys, but we should wait and have a decision when we can have another signal. So just, let's say, probabilities, nothing else. But I think we can target these levels here at the $5,000. Okay, something about around $5,000, $4,000 you can just buy here, and I think you will have an opportunity to trade the low-term positions. So this is it, guys. If you want to short and you are trading the contract, no problem. You have a support here. It's failed. Okay, then after the support failed, we can have another retest, and you can short from here. Also, you can short at $10,000. Okay, which is the low here. I think you can short here and you can make a lot of money. So I don't think, guys, that Yearn finance is positive. So the first positive sign is to break lower than 16,000. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is for Yearn finance. Thank you very much for listening to this session. If you have any inquiries, please contact me in Twitter and contact me via comments. Subscribe to my channel, please. We have a lot of information we have to share. We will teach you guys how you can trade. We are about to create a group, but not for the moment, at least when we can have 2,000 or 3,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for listening to this session. Have a good day.